How to download and install the Signal app on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open Play Store on your Android phone. After opening Play Store, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Signal. After you search Signal, you'll see an app which is launched by the Signal Foundation, which has more than 100 million downloads. Then simply tap on the install button right here. Now your installation process will take around 1 or 2 minutes. Then you can start using Signal Private Messenger, start texting your friends. And this is it. This is how you can download Signal on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.